Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook boneless chicken thighs. First, it's crucial to prepare your chicken properly. Begin by patting the thighs completely dry with paper towels. This step is key for achieving that desirable crispy exterior. Next, take a moment to trim away any excess fat or loose skin. Finally, season them generously on both sides with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you love. Now let's get that beautiful sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, ideally cast iron, over a medium-high flame. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, to the hot pan. Carefully place your seasoned chicken thighs, skin side down, into the skillet. Let them sear undisturbed for 5 to 7 minutes until they develop a rich, golden brown crust. Once the skin side is perfectly seared, it's time to finish cooking. Flip the chicken thighs over and reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue cooking for another 8 to 10 minutes on the second side. The goal is an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part to ensure they are safely and perfectly cooked through. The final, crucial step for juicy chicken is resting. Once cooked, remove the thighs from the skillet and place them on a cutting board. Tent them loosely with aluminum foil and let them rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital as it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Then, slice or serve them whole with your preferred accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.